Okay, so I know you just finished watching the video for the advanced log me in functions. So now let's try something a little bit differently, or a little bit different. Um, we will live in choices, so we are giving you a second choice on how to access the Office network when you're outside of the office. Log me in lets you remote into your desktop. Um, but it means that your desktop has to be turned on, and it also depends a little bit on what the connection is at where you're at. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you something called remote application server. What it is basically there's a computer sitting in the server room that will let you access applications uh, like Casa Tracker and Outlook and Word. Um, so let me just show you what that looks like and how to get there. And we can discuss if this is going to be something good for you guys or not. Okay, so to get there, we're going to open Internet Explorer. Okay, and I made a little cheat sheet here for me, TS Web Access. Um, in the future, I need to get some information from that, but we should be able to call it something like applications.voicesforchildren.com or ts.voicesforchildren.com. So that's what you will type here in your address bar. For this particular case, since we don't have a name, you see how it converts to that number, 216.70.253.157. That's what you would type here in the address bar. So now let's just click on it. And it's going to ask me for a username and password. So we've been through here before, so we do voices for children, and I'm going to log in as the administrator, but you can use your own uh, username and password, as long as you make sure that you have voices for children / before your username. Click OK, and welcome to TS Web Access. So you can see that I've decided to give you remote access to the following applications: Sign in and out, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Picture Manager, Excel, Casa Tracker, and Adobe. So let's open Casa Tracker, which is probably the most important one. And you're going to get this window. So don't spend too much time, just click Connect. And while it's pressing connect, what's happening is you're starting a session with the server and it's launching the program, and there's Casa Tracker. So since I don't have a particular username and password for Casa Tracker, I'm going to cancel this. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's go to Microsoft Word. And remember, I'm on a computer, I'm at my house right now, or at the office with my laptop, so I have no access to the server. But if I open Word and I go to Open, I can go to Computer, and I can go to Files on Voices Server, and I can go to Case Notes. Let's go to Greenbed and see if I have anything. Rewrite. And I can open this file that's on the server at Voices for Children. So I can minimize this. And let's say I want to check my email. I open Outlook, click Connect. And my Outlook at Voices for Children opens up. And I can minimize that. Okay. And that's it, and now it's all running. And if I click here, I see my inbox, I see my Microsoft Word, and I can go back. Now let's open Sign in and out. Okay, so everybody's out because it's 11 at night. And that's it. So basically you have access to all your programs, and when you're done, you can just close them. When you're done, just close your window. And that's it. Do that one more time real quick. You're going to go to Internet Explorer. In Internet Explorer, you're going to type the following address: 216.70.253.157. /TS for terminal services. It's going to ask you for your username and password. This voicesforchildren.com, voicesforchildren / and your username. In this case, I want to use the administrator. But let's try somebody else. Oh, let's do administrator. We log in, and then you can click on any program that you need. In this particular case, I'm going to sign in and out. Click connect. And there we go. And once you're done, you just close it as any normal program. Same thing, let's do Excel this time. Connect. And it launches Excel. If I go to open, we're going to go to computer. I'm going to go to files on the server. I don't think I have an Excel file in here. Let's see if there's any hanging out here. Holiday gift drive. There you go. And as you can see, it's blazing fast. So this is a second way of accessing data from basically Meadowlark. What I want you guys to be able to do is open programs as natively as possible without need to jump on another computer or a log me in session. So this is as close as we can take you. So again, you type 216.70.253.157 /TS in Internet Explorer and click on go. And so now again ask you for your username and password. This Voices for Children / your username, then your password, and click connect. And it'll take you here. And again, if you click on application, click connect. And it launches the program for you. And that is done. So that's it. That's what I wanted to cover with you today. Two quick things. Again, the more advanced functions for log me in, and the more advanced way of accessing your programs using remote apps or terminal services. If you want to try this when you are at Meadowlark, it'll be my pleasure and my honor to be there with you guys, just to do it on site and maybe check you guys out individually. I just wanted to show you this in a general setting and see if it made sense and if it was helpful for anybody. And at this point, I'll just stop and take some questions. Thank you guys.